Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after two-way courier service has been implemented for passport stamping in Canada, uh, people have started getting the passport back with the stamped sticker, visa sticker. So I was in touch with one of my subscribers and she has got the passport returned, and she got an additional letter along with the passport, stamped passport, and she sent it to me, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I apologize for the poor quality of the image, but this is not a scanned image. This is a clicked image using camera, and this is a generic letter. As you can see, there is no application related information posted on this letter. So this has got contents in English and French, both official languages of Canada, where they have clearly said about this, like dear applicant, we are returning your passport with a visa for Canada. However, please note that the printing of your visa does not automatically mean you are authorized to travel. So they have pointed out the link towards the travel restrictions, because under normal circumstances, when you get a visa to a country, you are allowed to travel, but the circumstances are not normal now, and all of us are aware of this. So that is what they are saying, and after that they have said the same information in French, another official language. So that means, like, they want people to go through the link travel exemptions and make sure that who is allowed to come and who is not allowed to come, and based on that they should make their travel plans, because nobody would like to get a last minute surprise at airport when they book their ticket and pack their bags and they get a big surprise. So such things should be avoided. That is why they are repeatedly warning people about this change. And at the same time, under certain categories you are not allowed generally, but you are allowed to seek a travel authorization. So there are many people who have sought travel authorization and have got it successfully, and after that they have made it. In fact, I have uploaded videos about the emails that were sent, and even the response of approval, everything. So that was again sent to me by a subscriber who got it successfully, and she is in Canada now. So you can, if you want, you can watch that. And that's it for now guys, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.